Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Firdaus, and in this channel we do simple dishes. I post a video every Saturday. In today's video, I'm making tilapia with mixed vegetables cooked in the oven. So this recipe from start to finish, it will take you 30 minutes. Preparation about 5 minutes. And 25 minutes the tilapia cooking in the oven. My oven was set to 400 degrees, and let me tell you guys, the flavor this dish has is mind-blowing. So all you need is 1.5 cup of mixed vegetable, but that depends on how many serving you want. 1 potato, I'm using sweet potatoes, 1 onion, and your tilapia. Of course, you season it. My seasoning is mix of different seasoning that I created, but you can add whatever you have available. If you want to see where I do my own spices, check the video down below. I have a video that just dedicated how you can make your own spice at home. I hope that you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you try it. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.